the evolution of online learning with AI. In the last decade, online learning has revolutionized how we acquire knowledge, breaking geographical and cultural barriers. But what happens when this digital landscape meets the innovation of artificial intelligence? AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a game changer for education. With AI, online learning platforms can analyze student data to provide personalized learning experiences, catering to individual learning styles and paces. These intelligent systems assess more than simple right or wrong answers. They delve into learning patterns, offering insights that empower learners to understand not just what to learn, but how to learn better. As AI evolves, so does its capacity to make online learning more engaging, efficient, and tailored to the unique journey of each student. AI-powered tools enhancing learning quality. AI tools enhance the depth of online learning, bringing interactive and practical experiences to students' fingertips. Language learning apps use AI to offer real-time pronunciation analysis and contextual language practice. In subjects like math, AI-driven platforms adapt difficulty levels, providing dynamic hints and step-by-step solutions to facilitate deeper understanding. This ensures learners are neither bored with simplicity nor overwhelmed by complexity. In STEM education, virtual labs powered by AI allow exploration beyond traditional textbook limitations, rendering complex scientific phenomena tangible and interactive. Team-based projects benefit from AI too, which can manage tasks, facilitate collaboration, and provide constructive feedback, fostering skills vital for the modern workforce. The future of education with AI integration. As AI continues to mature, its role in education will expand, transforming from an assistive tool to a partner in shaping and delivering curriculum. AI will not replace teachers, but empower them. By handling administrative tasks and offering insights into student progress, educators can focus more on fostering critical thinking and creativity. AI will not replace teachers, but empower them. By handling administrative tasks and offering insights into student progress, educators can focus more on fostering critical thinking and creativity. Embracing AI in online learning paves the way for a more personalized, inclusive, and future-ready education system. As we navigate this evolving landscape, the partnership between technology and education holds the promise of unlocking every learner's potential